Alright guys, let's check out the Zoiinet wireless remote outlet switch. Now here's the box. Now here's the back of the box. And here is the other side of the box. Now let's open it up. First thing inside is the manual. Then we've got the wireless plug. Next up, the wireless remote control. Underneath, we've got a little baggie with screws and wall plugs and a couple of adhesive strips. And also finally, we have the wall mount. And that's everything inside the box. Let's take a closer look at each piece. The manual is super detailed with all the nerdy stuff. Here's the baggie with the screws and wall plugs. And if you don't want to drill, they've included adhesive strips so you can just stick the wall mount in place. It's nice to have both options. Speaking of which, here's the wall mount. It pops open like this. You attach the back piece to your wall using either the screws or the adhesive, then just snap the cover back on. Now here's the wireless switch. Really sleek design. You've got the on button on the top and off button at the bottom. The top has a line that also doubles as a LED indicator. And here's a wireless socket. It's a rounded design with a dedicated power button on the side, feeling solid and well built also. Now here is how easy it is to pop the remote into the wall mount. Just slide it in and now it looks and works like a regular light switch. Super clean setup. So, once you pop the switch into the wall mount, it really does look and function like a regular wall switch, which is super convenient. Now, let me show you how it works. I've got the socket plugged into my power source, and then I plug in this light bulb. Everything already comes in the box, paired. No pairing necessary. Now to turn it on, all you have to do is press the top button on the switch, and then there's light. To turn it off, you press the bottom button marked with the circle. Simple and instant. You also have the option of pressing the dedicated button right on the socket itself to power things on and off, which is a nice backup if the switch isn't nearby. And here's the really flexible part. If you want to control your light or appliance without getting up, you can just pop the switch out of the wall mount and use it as a handheld remote. It fits comfortably in your hand and it's super responsive and works instantly.